Mint with the Better Call Dev tool explained. If for some reason, at some point in time, you struggle to access the youves frontend but you still want to access the functionality of youves. Also, assuming that you are not willing to access the smart contracts directly via code. In such instances, interacting with the youves smart contracts with the Better Call Dev tool is a possible solution. In this video, we will walk you through the process. Step 1. In the description is a link to engine addresses for existing tracker tokens with eligible collateral types. Note: these may change over time as new versions come out. Here you find a comprehensive list of smart contract addresses on youves, which includes engine addresses for existing tracker tokens with eligible collateral, in this video, we use the UUSD token with Tezos collateral as an example. Copy the engine address for the UUSD token with Tezos collateral. Step 2. Visit the Better Call Dev domain. Ensure mainnet is selected. Paste the copied engine address in the search field. Select the youves Vault Creator contract. Step 3. Connect your wallet. Click on the wallet icon at the topmost right and select Mainnet. Choose from the list of wallet options. AirGap wallet is used as an example. Using a two-device setup, click on AirGap wallet to scan a QR code. Confirm the action in your wallet. Step 4. Interact with the youves smart contracts using the BCD interface. Note: on a smart contract level, all youves tracker tokens have 12 decimals, and existing collateral types on youves have the following decimals. Tip: ensure that you have a collateral amount deposited in your youves vault that will be sufficient for the desired mint value. For Tez collateral deposits, you need to directly send Tezos tokens to your vault address. Here's how. Click on the Storage tab. Select the big map 7711 corresponding to vault contexts. Paste your wallet address. Click to view the details. The address starting with KT1 is your vault address. Copy it and make a manual transfer to it from your wallet. Note: for other eligible collateral types, deposit operations are performed with the deposit entry point on BCD. Step 5. Now let's dive into the minting proper. Select the Interact tab. Navigate down to the Mint entry point and click on Mint. To mint, input an amount of UUSD. As said before, all tracker tokens on youves have 12 decimals. Step 6. Time for some math. As an example in this video, we try to mint 0.02 UUSD. Multiply the desired mint value by 10 to the power of 12. Copy the result of your calculation. Paste in the mint input field. Scroll down a bit to execute the transaction. Select the wallet option. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Step 7. Verify the mint operation. Select Storage. Click on the big map 7711 and paste your wallet address. Click the drop-down arrow. The value displayed is the current total minted UUSD. Learn more? Find more information on youves with the links in the description.